Month end, and here comes the same manual work. Exporting a CSV from Pipedrive and adding up closed deals in a spreadsheet to rebuild your sales funnel in Excel. Your sales team lives in Pipedrive all day, but when it's time to analyze those numbers, you end up back in a spreadsheet. With the Pipedrive data source from Kondado, that data lands organized wherever you decide, without writing a single line of code. Before, you rebuilt your sales report manually in a spreadsheet. Now the Pipedrive data source from Kondado does that work for you and keeps your data updated automatically. And it gets better. At the end, I'll show you how to ask your funnel's numbers securely straight from ChatGPT with no code. Everything your Pipedrive account records without typing anything. The data source brings your deals, your sales pipelines, and every stage. The activities, the persons, and the organizations. The products, the notes, and the teams, plus the full history of each deal, stage by stage, so you can see where a deal moved forward or stalled. That's more than 10 pipelines and hundreds of fields, ready to use, with no code. And you don't change your routine. Kondado fits into it. The data source delivers your Pipedrive straight into Power BI and Looker Studio, into a data warehouse like BigQuery, into databases, into your Google Sheets and Excel spreadsheets, or into Via Kondado. You pick the destination that's best for your sales operation. With the data already organized by the data source, you build your own sales report with no code in Power BI or Looker Studio. Track conversion rate between funnel stages, average sales cycle, average deal size, and the performance of each rep and team. And that spreadsheet you used to build manually now stays updated automatically. Connect once, and the numbers refresh on their own. Every 5 minutes, once a day, or at whatever frequency you choose. You stop guessing and start closing the month looking at the right number. And Pipedrive doesn't work alone. You can join its deals with your other sources in the same view, your LinkedIn ads and Google Ads campaigns, your ERP revenue and your support. Then you can see how much revenue each channel actually closed and where your best return is. That's more than 80 data sources that can talk to your Pipedrive. And this is where the Pipedrive data source from Kondado truly stands out. With Via Kondado and the Kondado MCP, you connect your Pipedrive data to ChatGPT, to Claude, or to any AI assistant compatible with MCP. Then you just ask ChatGPT in plain language, like sending a message. How much do I have in open deals in this pipeline? What's my conversion rate this month versus last month? The answer shows up right there with your real numbers, securely and read-only, without opening a spreadsheet or building any report. Try the Pipedrive data source from Kondado now. Reports you build in Power BI or Looker Studio, automated spreadsheets and questions answered straight by AI. Nothing to install, no credit card. Start free for 14 days and put your sales data to work. Kondado, your data in the right destination.